This is the Google TV Streamer, designed to transform your regular TV into a smart entertainment hub by bringing all your favorite streaming services into one interface. In this video, I'll cover everything you need to know about it. Inside the box, you'll find the Google TV Streamer, a power adapter, a power cable, a remote control, 2 AAA batteries, and a quick start guide. To set this up, first insert the batteries into the remote, plug the device into the adapter, and then connect it to your TV via HDMI. Start by pairing the remote following the on-screen instructions, then select your language options and complete the setup through the Google Home app. Using it is really simple. Navigate the menu with the remote, select apps with the directional pad, and speak to Google Assistant through the mic button to search for shows or adjust settings. The device is very compact, measuring about 6 inches long, 3 inches wide, and only an inch high, making it easy to fit behind or under your TV. Plus, its white, simple exterior really complements pretty much any decor. Delivering smooth streaming quality up to 4K with HDR Dolby Vision, this device provides captivating, immersive, and true-to-life detail. Load times are minimal, and navigating apps is smooth and seamless. My favorite feature is the Find My Remote option. You can make the remote ring using Google, so you'll never lose it again. Overall, the Google TV Streamer provides an effortless way to access and enjoy a wide range of content. Its sleek design, ease of use, and smooth performance make it easy for me to highly recommend this practical and impressive upgrade for your TV experience.